Hey guys, my name is Tramon Gaming and welcome to another Hot Wheel unboxing. So today we have Hot Wheels Snowstormers 5-pack. So this at the back, as you can see, is the 2016 design, if it shows up. So this contains Snowstormer, Team Hot Wheels, Corkscrew Buggy, Escort Sandblaster and Jeep Scrambler. So not a bad pack, so we're going to quickly unbox these and go through every car. Also, check out the last video, which will appear at the end of the video, which is the Custom 77 Dodge van, which is number 7 out of 10 in the Hot Wheel Art Cars range. But anyway, going to quickly unbox. So the first one is the Snowstormer. So this one, it's got the Hot Wheels Snowstormers logo on it. Very nice. It's a wee bit weird how they did this with that tracks, but I guess if it's a Hot Wheel car, they couldn't really do tracks unless they wanted to make it like a very expensive one, which I've upgraded the price to $6 for a standard one rather than the $3 one for the normal assorted ones. So very nice black, very vibrant colours on it. I love how the white goes, and then also that goes with a stripe on it in front of a white. Overall, I'd rate this car about 5 out of 10, the average mark. So yeah, time for the next car in the line. So the next one is the Team Hot Wheel Corkscrew Buggy. So now the design model for this one here is 2012 Mattel, and it's made in Thailand. So it's about around about like 4 or 5 years old, this model, the mold. But it's very nice, very vibrant colours again. It's a wee bit of a risk going for the blue wheels, but somehow I managed to pull off with the rest of the colours. But overall, I'd rate this about a 5 out of 10, the average grade. So yeah. Now for the next one is the Ford Escort, which I love the paint job. It's like a matte blue paint job. It's not too bright, and it's also got a wee bit of like a sparkle to it, sort of. White wheels and black goes very well. Only thing they really missed are the lights. I'd paint these yellow. But yeah, overall, very good. Snowstormers. You got Jones, you got Freeze, and you got a couple of logos and number 44. Overall, I'd rate this one very, very good. I'd rate it actually a 10 out of 10. Actually, second that, I'd take it to a... I'd take this to a 9 out of 10. Very close. If I'd painted it, I would have said hands down 10 out of 10. But yeah. Next, moving to the next one, which is the Sandblaster, which at the front you probably can't see it very well, but at the front it says Ford, which I believe this is off the Ford Raptor. It's designed basis. As you can see, the Ford Raptor's body and everything. All I've done is added a different bit to the shell. Added this big bumper at the front, more stuff. So let's take a look at the mold of this puppy here. It is 2013, so it's around about 3 to 4 years old. Not very old. By me saying 3 to 4 years old, is I don't know if this video is going to be uploaded in late 2016 or early 2017. So very nice car. I think it looks very good and it looks very bulky. The white tyres take it to an 8 out of 10 for me. Final one in the pack is the good old Jeep Scrambler. You gotta love the Scrambler. Very good, very basic. Simple logo. Same, and the mold for this thing. 2012. There we go. 2012. So about the same age as this one. And so yeah, that's the whole lot of them. I would rate the whole pack a 6 out of 10 because most of them were 5 out of 10 for me, from me, overall rating. So anyway, that's for Hot Wheels Snowstormers pack, and thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to check out the last unboxing, and we'll see you guys in another one. But anyways, sayonara.